If you've ever calculated your BMI and you're not too happy with the result, you're not alone. The long-standing and heavily criticized body mass index might soon be getting the boot.
All right, as Fox 5's Kendall Green explains, researchers believe a new measure standard can better determine someone's health.
Since the 1800s, we've used BMI, body mass index, as a key metric to determine how healthy we are. A formula that considers one's height and weight. Heavily criticized as flawed, since it predominantly studied white men, overlooking other cultures and their related variables. It also doesn't look at how much of a person's weight is fat, as opposed to bone or muscle.
I don't even have to measure your weight to get an indication of the health of your body.
But a new metric is emerging to get a better picture of how in shape we are, literally, called the Body Roundness Index. Because as the term suggests, it measures how round a person's body is.
Are you an apple? Are you a pear? We used to use those type of terms in terms of your body shape. That's going to tell me where your body fat might be distributed. And that's going to be helpful to know.
While a BMI calculates a person's body fat using just two measurements, height and weight, BRI also incorporates hip and waist circumferences. You'll need an online calculator to determine your BRI, but you get a number between 1 and 20. A number above 7 is considered unhealthy and comes with similar risks associated with higher BMIs, like obesity, diabetes, increased risk for heart disease and cancers. But since the BRI is a new metric, Dr. White is not urging us all to ditch BMI altogether.
What I suggest to people is that they measure their BMI, but they also look at their BRI and they see where the differences are.
But soon it may tip the scale, becoming more of an accurate metric we use every day.
We need to do a few more studies around this, have more experience with it, but I definitely think it's going to change how we think about these definitions.
Kendall Green, Fox 5 News.